G'day everyone, and welcome to another Roman in the Robo episode. This one's going to be super short and sweet, and before I get into it, the reason why I'm wearing this ridiculous hat is because I haven't had a haircut in about 6 months, which looks even more ridiculous if you couldn't tell. So recently we've been having a lot of troubles with the hot water system. Our Caravans trip that we did, I don't know, 9-10 months ago, something like that, it just wasn't working, and I don't recommend this, but I did something pretty stupid. I was lighting it with a barbecue extension lighter from the flue, and that did work, but I may have singed some arm hairs. Don't do it, not a good idea. I was also having a lot of troubles with the burners on the gas cooktop. They sort of kept flaring and dying down and turning themselves off, so I was led to believe that, after speaking to some people, that it was possibly the gas regulator. Now, I had no idea, but the regulators are actually like a disposable item, not disposable, it's a consumable. They need replacing every 10 years or so. And in here, this is the old regulator. Now, unfortunately, I'll just get straight into it. That didn't fix the problem with the gas heater, with the hot water system. I think it's an igniter problem. It's actually working at the moment, funny enough. So this regulator that came with the camper, it's a Chinese built one. Apparently professionals reckon that they're rubbish. They're on loads of campers and camper trailers, and the symptom for them not functioning is that flaring and dying down of the flame. So I ponied up and paid about 70 bucks and got a Bromic gas regulator, which has already been fitted. Not a DIY, by the way. You need to be a licensed gas fitter to fit this. Luckily, my previous neighbour at our old home was a plumber, so he fitted it for me. That solved the issue with the gas cooktop, but not the issue with the hot water system. So anyway, short and sweet little vid. If you're noticing that your gas cooktop is flaring and dying down, possibly it's the regulator. Like I said, they're a consumable item. They do need replacing periodically, and if you're gonna get one, get a good one. It's a Chinese built one. They're about 30 bucks. That's an Italian built regulator. They're about 70 bucks. So like I say, short, sharp, simple little vid in case you're having problems with your gas system. And that this isn't just for the Robo, this is for any caravan or camper trailer, anything that has a regulator, because what those regulators do is they throttle the pressure of the gas coming out of the bottle to the a nice, smooth, sustainable level required to run your gas appliances. That's it. See you in the next one. Catch up.